How to hard reset Realme Narzo 70 Turbo. Step 1. Power off your device. Step 2. Simultaneously press and hold the power and volume up buttons. Step 3. When the screen displays the No Command, Robot logo, continue holding the power button and tap the volume up button once.